Hey, how's it going? It is 1:41 in the morning. I'm just wrapping up editing my newest EDC Life Essential video. I've started this thing where I wanted to showcase what other creatives, what other people that I know that are around me are carrying with them on a day-to-day basis. So today's episode is none other than Marilyn. She came into our lives about 2-3 months ago. Just right off the bat, we've gotten so close together and we've become very close friends, and we confide in each other, and it's just been a wonderful, wonderful time together. And I just gotta say, she is the most inspirational. She is the most courageous person that I've ever met. And not only that, she is the most creative person as well. She makes content for her work and for our church that we both serve in, all using her smartphone. She makes the most awesome videos, shorts, like any content you can imagine shooting with your smartphone. She's just a boss at it. She's amazing. And I just gotta tell you, she brightens up our lives. Every time she walks into a room, she brightens up the room. And right from the get-go, like, our lives are just a lot brighter because of her. I have no words to express how wonderful a person she is. And I'm so grateful that she's agreed to come in front of the camera and be part of this series. So that's enough of me talking. I want you to stick through the whole video just to see what she carries and what kind of item that she has on a day-to-day basis. So without further ado, here is Marilyn.
Hey everybody, my name is Marilyn. I am a spa coordinator, and today I'm going to show you what I have in my backpack. So this is my backpack. I actually got this as a Christmas gift from my brother, which I think is really sweet because pink is my favorite color, and I don't know, it was just sweet of him. So first pocket. These are my business cards. I work at a spa right now, and I just carry them everywhere to tell people to come to my spa, and then I give one to them. Second front pocket. I have a Sharpie because you never know when you need a Sharpie. In case you have a water bottle and there are other water bottles around, you can write your name on it. That way nobody drinks from your water bottle. You just never know. You might need a Sharpie, and I have one with the keychain. And I also have 2 chapsticks. So this one is a cucumber mint one, and then this one we made at work, and it has cocoa and mint, and we are going to start selling it soon. And I have it here because why not? Options. Now, large zipper pocket. So these are my AirPods, super cute. My little sister, who's 9 years old, bought this for me. It's a little Lilo and Stitch little holder for it. Super, super cute. It just makes AirPods more fun. Also, I have a mirror. My aunt gave me this for Easter. It says, "Squeeze the day," and you can open it. If I can open it, yeah, there you go. And yeah, there you are. Let's see what else I have around here. I also have these earrings that my friend got for me in Mexico, and they're red and they have little cute teal beads on them. They're also knitted, I believe. Super cute. And I also have a nail filer that just broke a second ago, but I didn't want to throw it away because I find myself in need of a nail filer quite often. Sometimes my nails chip, and then I'm just really annoyed at that moment because I have to wait all day till I get home, so I have access to a nail filer, but now I have one and it's broken, but guess what? It still works. And I also have a mask, even though in LA County you don't need one anymore, you just never know. And What's so cool about these masks is that they are pink. And I also have a wallet, of course. This is one of the 3 things that I always need to carry with me. First one is wallet, second one is keys, and third one is phone. If one of those 3 are missing, I am in trouble. But this is one of the 3. Wallet. This is just a letter I need to give to my brother that's been sitting in my backpack for a very long time, and just finding it now reminds me that I need to give it to him. I will give this to you ASAP. My phone. This is my new iPhone 13 Pro Max that I'm super happy about, because before this I had an iPhone 8 Plus and the battery was always dying. The camera was very bad quality, and I do a lot of social media at work, and it just wasn't looking that good. So anyway, I'm just super proud of this. I bought it on my own, and yeah, one of my accomplishments in life is getting this iPhone, so iPhone. These are my keys, my car keys. So I have this LA Dodgers lanyard, and what I like about it is that it's pink. Also, these are my car keys, and these are my house keys. And then I have a little picture here. It's a keychain of my little sister, Emily. It's just cute. And then I have some Altoids, because you just never know if essential, just carry something that's gonna make your breath smell good, you know? And then, okay, just as essential as Altoids, flushable wipes. You just never know when you're gonna need them. You probably will need them at some point. Just always carry flushable wipes in your backpack. And this is very random, but I needed a construction worker's number to do some construction work at my house, and he didn't have any cards. So he gave me a piece of wood with his details here. I mean, what better way to advertise your company than to give me a piece of his material that he's using. And then I have this hairbrush. You just never know when you're going to need a hairbrush. I got this at the 99-cent store, and it works well for me. It's small, it's compact, it won't take up too much space. Dollar Tree hairbrush. I also have my eyeglasses here that I need to drive in the evening, and if I'm ever looking at a screen, my eyes kind of hurt sometimes, so eyeglasses. I also have, okay, this is also super random, but I have a numbing cream in here. I have a numbing cream because I am in the process of getting tattoo removal, and it's very, very painful. You need to put on numbing cream at least an hour before to take effect. Just get some numbing cream if you're ever going to get your tattoos removed. Numbing cream. And I also have some used tissues in here because I'm a very strong person, but I cry all the time. So, Kleenex. And last but not least, safety first, people. I have a little box here with Band-Aids and gauzes and like little alcohol prep pad. Just safety first. And yeah, that's what I have in my bag. Thanks for watching.
Perfect.
Was it?